just add a little bit of red to my picture. I think we need a little bit more. Oh, hi there, boys and girls. I didn't see you. I was just finishing my coloring page of the park. I was having so much fun that I totally forgot about our letter. Let me take out my basket. Oh, there it is. Whew. There's so many letters, I don't even know which one to pick. Do you want to help me pick today's letter?
Yes.
Yes? Awesome. Can you say, pick me, pick me? One more time. Pick me, pick me. Let's see whose letter we are going to read today. Wonderful folding, by the way. Dear Miss L, that's me. I'm learning about colors at school, and my favorite color is red. Can you make a video about colors? Thank you for reading my letter. Sincerely, H. Well, of course I can, and I know exactly where to go. Let's take our magical camera to help us on the trip. Come on! That was so much fun. Hey, boys and girls, we are here at our local park to review colors. What better way than to do it than here at the park? Now, can you see the color blue around here somewhere? That's right, boys and girls, the slide is blue. Let's take a picture. Did you know that the color blue is a primary color and we spell it with the letters B-L-U-E? Yeah! Now let's see what other color we should look for. How about we find the color yellow? Do you see the color yellow around here somewhere? That's right, boys and girls, the spring rider is color yellow. Let's take a picture. Did you know that the color yellow is also a primary color and we spell it with the letters Y-E-L-L-O-W? Yeah! Now the next color we're looking for is color black. Do you see the color black around here somewhere? Yes! That's right, boys and girls. The grill is color black. Let's take a picture. Did you know that to make the color black, it's all the primary colors mixed together? Yes, and we spell it with the letters B-L-A-C-K. Wonderful job, boys and girls. Now we're looking for color brown. Where's brown? And that's right, boys and girls, the waste receptacle is brown. Let's take a picture. Did you know that to make the colors brown, you have to mix red and green together? And we spell it with the letters B-R-O-W-N. Now we have one more color, and that's color red. And I know I saw it here around the park, but I can't seem to remember where I saw it. What's color red around here? That's right, the Roll Playground. Let's take a picture. The color red is also a primary color, and we spell it with the letters R, E, and D. Now, I know there's so many colors around here at the park that we need to go over, but we have to go back to the E&C lab and make our book. Whew! That was so much fun, boys and girls, and I have great news. I saved our pictures from our trip, and I'm going to place them here inside of bookbot. But bookbot only works if you do the magical dance. Do you want to do it?
Yes.
Yes? Awesome! I hear a song coming on. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's time to sing the bookbot song, so make sure that you follow along. There's only 3 magic words to say to turn on bookbot in a magical way. Your imagination is the key. It unlocks a book for you and me. It's time to sing, dance, and play, so repeat after me and say, Pictures book, activate. Pictures book, activate. Come on, boys and girls, we gotta be louder. Are you ready? Pictures book, activate. Pictures book, activate. Can you clap it? Can you stomp it? Oh my gosh, boys and girls, you actually did it. You turned bookbot on. Now we just gotta wait for that special ding. Wonderful job, boys and girls. You made our book. Let me take it out real quick. It's called Colors. Do you want to read it with me?
Yes.
Yes? Awesome. Let's read colors. Blue, blue, where are you? The slide is blue. Yellow, yellow, where are you? The spring rider is yellow. Black, black, where are you? The grill is black. Brown, brown, where are you? The waste receptacle is brown. Red, red, where are you? The rope playground is red. I had so much fun reading our book and sounds like Lyra's home and I gotta go. Don't forget that it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to read a book, so make sure to grab one. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye!